See the tab? You see how it's coming out? You can see it, how it's coming at an angle. I'm going to take my my pliers here and bend that straight. That's about all I can do with that. Okay, I might have to adjust this still if I'm still hitting the edge of this. Okay, so in fact, it's hitting the edge like that, so I can take my sheetrock knife and use that, you know, kind of as a cutter. I used to carry a 1/4-inch chisel in my nail bag all the time, and I don't know what happened to it. I need to remember, note to self, get one of those at the hardware store. So I always have it. I put many a strike plate in by hand like this instead of using my drill. If you use a drill, I still only put the screw in 7/8 of the way, and then I'll tighten it up by hand at the last, just because I don't like to get these screws to start spinning, because that's what's holding everything, especially if you have to adjust your strike or something. Yeah, see, it's still hitting. I've got to keep drilling right there. I'll try it with the drill bit, but I don't want to dig in too far if I don't have to. And that's hard to do, just using the side without digging into the back and then using that. And I'm gonna keep using this metal rasp first, because I think eventually I can get it with this. That's a long ways. That's because they didn't install this door properly initially. But if I do, like I say, if I have to dig something in, I'll get a bigger drill bit and we'll have to try that. But I want to keep going with this. I still got room before the screw head. And so, rasping, away I go. Ooh, hotty. I think I should go a little more even. Now, oh jeez. The things I do to make a video, but actually I'm doing this for myself because I want this thing to be fixed once and for all. So why not make a video and show you how to do it too? It's still not depressing all the way. And yes, that is very depressing. Yeah. Good grief. Okay. Whew. Do it some more. Yeah, it's right in that, edge. I think I'm gonna have to, see, it's about right there now. Okay, come on. Do I get the other drill and show you how to do it with the drill bit? Guess I can. Or do I use one of these Dremel bits? All right, I'm gonna use one of these Dremel bits. Basically, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna mess up one of these. These were for a Dremel, and it says a grinding stone. And you wouldn't know how many times I use my pin snips for opening up packages. What the heck is that? It's something that was inside of there. Huh. It was the little thing to keep people from stealing these the Dremels bits. See? That's what I was having a problem cutting through, that stupid thing. Well, I was trying to cut it to still use this little package container for this last one, just for a holder. But let's go ahead and use this. I have a feeling it's just going to eat it up. Okay. Make sure you have it on high. Hardly seems like it's doing anything on this one. Granted, this little Dremel bit is for grinding stone, but I thought I would try it. You see the line is put in it. It's helped though. I think just enough. There it went. Ooh, See? Snapped off. That's what's gonna happen. Well, that was good for the video, huh? But look, I still have this big fat piece that I could use for something. So I'll probably end up saving that. It's hard, it would be hard right there. Let's see what, I think I'll save that for something else. Look at that. I can feel right where it's hitting. I think that did it. You see, I was trying to clean out this bit right here. With the other bit, it rolled up, and I cut that out so that this is almost square, little roundness there, but that little bit there was keeping the latch from going in all the way. And so there's lots of different things as you're drilling. What could be causing your issue, you know? So what else do you want me to try? I mean, I got most of it there. I know you're itching to have me do the drill. I'm gonna go get a drill bit and I'll show you that, because I actually want to get this a little bit further. So instead of my 1/8 inch drill bit, that's too small. I have a feeling when I put it into the wood and grind down on it, it's gonna snap off. I'm gonna get a fatter one. I'll be right back, show you how that works.